Buenos días.
Ngaramutse.
صباح wanaagsan.
Amakur.
صباح الخير.
Habari za asubuhi.
Good morning, and welcome to the Newburg News. We are a diverse group of people working towards a common goal of every student being successful.
Did you know today is Veterans Day?
Hi, my name is Ashton. I'm here with
Miss Smith.
and she's our teacher of the week. Miss Smith, why did you become a teacher?
I actually became a teacher because ever since I was really little, I loved helping my classmates and seeing those like light bulb moments. So just from a very young age, I knew this is where I was supposed to be.
Okay, why did you choose to teach 6th grade?
I actually thought I wanted to teach 7th grade because I had a really good math teacher that made me love math. I came here because Miss Adele is amazing, as everybody knows. And she had an opening for 6th grade, and now I've fallen in love with 6th grade and don't believe it.
Okay, thank you, Miss Smith.
Thank you.
As a golfer, it's always smart to wear 2 pants. In case you get a hole in one.
My name is Ashlyn, and right now in Mr. Cunningham's 6th grade English class, we are learning about central idea and theme.
I'm Nehemiah, and I'm here with
Tavion Gibson.
And I need you to name as many types of candy as you can in 15 seconds, okay? Ready, set, go.
Twix, Kit Kats, Snickers, Skittles, Jolly Ranchers, Hershey's, Kisses,
All right, that's time. I'm Nehemiah, and I'm here with
Mr. Jones.
3, 2, 1.
You got Jolly Rancher, Butterfinger, Kit Kat, Crunch, M&M, Candy Corn. You got Butterscotch, Turtles. You got Dots. You got.
Let's take a look at our new 6th grade T3 members.
Jordan.
Khalil. Paisley. Thalia.
Ashlyn.
Emily.
Vivian.
Ella. Fun fact, hot water can turn into ice faster than cold water.
Has this ever happened to you? You're a turkey enjoying nature and some hunter wants you for dinner? I'm Darryl Isaacs and I want to represent you. Just call the hammer.
It's time for the Who's the Smartest Turkey Writing Contest. You are a very intelligent and special turkey. An eccentric billionaire scientist has made you incredibly smart. In fact, you're the smartest turkey in the world. The only problem is that you're on the menu for Thanksgiving dinner. Write to the family planning to eat you and convince them with scientific evidence not to eat you for Thanksgiving dinner. The hammer will pick the top 3 winners and represent you in court.
Birthdays from November 8th to November 14th.
Tavion.
Mariah Miller.
My name is Noah.
Panera.
Chloe.
Look what STLP is doing.
Hello, my name is Cody, and this is the digestive system. Please remember these food molecules: glucose, fiber, H2O, amino acids, protein, fatty acids, fat, and starch. Whenever you digest, you always have to chomp up the food. Which the saliva will help break the food. Which then a chemical change will happen. The food will then turn into food molecules. Those food molecules will travel down the esophagus. After traveling down the esophagus, they will go into the stomach. Which in the stomach, a chemical change happens to where the food molecules break apart and then travel down to the beginning of small intestine. Also, if you were to break up starch, it would turn into glucose. You break up fat, it would turn into fatty acids. Protein broken up would equal amino acids. So in this case, that's what we're going to do. Which then they will travel down the beginning of small intestine, which some food molecules will travel through small holes, and they will then go into the bloodstream. But the others will then go down the middle of small intestine. Then the food molecules will then also travel through holes and will go into the bloodstream. Except for fiber. The fiber travels down the large intestine, which then will equal poop. Poop is made by H2O and fiber mixing together, which is a chemical change, which then, once it happens, you then use the bathroom. Thank you for listening to my digestive system project. These are the credits.
Hello, this is Sean from T3, and today I'm going to show you how to upload files to the 3D printing form so we can get it printed for you. So first, head over to Newscast for it to load up, and then pick what you designed. I'm going with this name tag I made a year or so ago. Now, if the design you sent I can't print because of it, because just that's how the 3D printers are, I will email you saying, I can't print this, gotta fix it, yada yada yada. You see here though, the 3D printer can't print midair. You have to make sure it's on the ground and it has enough support to where it can build on it. Like this. This would be perfect to build on. So, if you have all those checked off, I'm gonna go ahead and export it to STL, and I repeat, you have to export it to STL. Once you do that, you're going to want to save it to files on your iPad, and then head over to the form. When you're ready, go to Add File, select Files, Browse, and then you should find it right here. If you have trouble finding it, you're probably in your iCloud drive. It depends on what you put it on. You can put it on either or, doesn't really matter. I like it on my iPad though. So you go ahead and click that, upload it, and you're good to go. That's all I have. And send me your 3D prints. I'd love to see them. Bye. Also, if you're having trouble with the QR code in the bottom left of the screen, you're going to want to hold the Chrome icon. Hold on here. You're going to want to hold the Chrome icon and then press scan QR code so it knows you're from the JCPS district. That's all I have. Bye.
Make sure you show up to Newburg's home basketball game this Thursday against TT Knights. It is $5 for student admission.
This week's tech tip is...
Okay, so if you're having Wi-Fi issues, you want to go to settings. You want to go to Wi-Fi. Make sure you're on JCPS wireless. And if you see a little blue eye, hold on it. And then the internet would be working if it's off on private address. If it's on, it's not going to be working.
Thank you for tuning into the newscast.
Bring you the news from Tiger Tech Team.